Hey Candy Crushers, it's Candy Queen here and I'm back with another video. And today I recently got a package 4 days ago and I opened it off camera, so I'm sorry. And I let my friend use them, and she put them and she gave them back to me in this box. And it has my information in the front because I gave her this box. I'm like, hey, I want to make a video out of this, so just put them back in this box and then just mail it to me. She didn't put tape or anything, but still good. And these are squishies you've never seen before. I don't believe never seen before. Like, I gave her some squishies that I got at Michael's, and then some squishies that I already had and you already seen. And I gave her the squishies that I got new, and one of them did not come in the package because it was too big. So yeah, I'll show you that probably at the end. Okay, so I don't have anything to cover it with. I'll just go like, nope, it's not gonna work. Be right back. Okay, I got something. If you want to see that mail little part, you can. So there it is. Okay. So yeah, there it is, and it's a full box. There's no information whatsoever, only on the front. Okay. Time to open it. I already opened it because why would I want you to see my package? Oh my god. Why would I want you to see my package? Why would I want you to see my address, I mean? Okay, that's the first peek. And there's probably more things in these squishies. Now that I use so many, like, literally, it's empty. It's really empty. I'm just kidding. Okay, nope, that's not gonna work. Okay. Maybe if I just go like that. There we go. So the first thing I pull out, it's my first ever Hello Kitty donut. My only Hello Kitty donut. I'll leave it in packaging. So yeah. Okay, okay, next thing. As y'all can tell by the tag, well, y'all probably already know a lot of these designs. It's a squishy from Michael's. Has a defect, but it don't matter. Not so solarizing, but yeah. Oh god, y'all can't really see. Oh, there we go. Okay, this is the other Michael's squishies. As you can tell by the everything. This one can come out of packaging. Sorry. I forgot. Okay, okay. I guess it's kind of solarizing. Pretty defective, but it don't matter. And smushers are a really good thing to your collection. See, as you can tell, this is from Pickle. So you can tell that this is from Michael so by the tag. So yeah, and I didn't show you the design, but it's like that. So I'm just gonna put this not stacking packaging. Well, you know what? I will. I really will. So you'll see everything. Oh my god, this is a. Can you like? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a heavy squishy. Oh my god. Sorry, my camera just does not want to be good right now. Okay, I made this slime and then I put it in this putty container and there's a sticker right here. Oh my god, super sticky! But it's blue, not brown. I used to have a brown one. I'm gonna take the whole thing out, guys. Okay. If y'all don't like goo, I'm sorry if y'all hate goo. If y'all hate goo, then what? Like, who the heck are you? But if you do hate goo, I'm sorry. Like, it's okay. You don't have to love goo for me. Okay, you don't have to. Oh my god, this got stickier. Why did this get stickier? Okay, I'm about to do a little satisfying video real quick. Was that satisfying or what? Here it is. I'm gonna have to put like something to not make it so slimy or sticky. I mean, it's not so sticky, it's just like. Well, y'all comment down below if y'all want me to make a video about how to make this perfect slime. So comment down below so I can show my mother and show you. And it does fart too, so. And I'm not just editing that, so. Pretty sticky, so just like. Okay, there we go. Next thing. Here's the tag. Smooshers. Smushers. I mean, like people say smooshers, but I say smushers, but I don't know what's the difference, but you know. We all got our own accent or way. I love squishing this one like I don't even know. Next squishy, oh my god, is my ice cream. Next, oh my god, is this heart squishy. Sorry. And if y'all want to do, if y'all have any suggestions for videos, comment down below. The next one that I have, oh my god, is this egg squishy with a tear right there. Next. Okay, the next thing, I'll show you that one in a bit. This is brain. Psych, guys. There's like white stuff in it. I don't know. It's just so satisfying. Like, it's like it feels goo, but white stuff. But then other thing, Little Miss Pet Shop, little blind box. I don't know. Awesome. Okay, next thing. This is fun. Yeah. And just so you know, these are the new squishies. Let's start with this one. Then this is the new squishies. This Hello Kitty Princess. Tag. This is an extra, oh god, that I got from Silly Squishies because it took too long, I guess. And I guess these are rare, so I don't know, but it's pretty dirty. I know you're about to be like, ew, I don't want that, or something, I don't know, but like, it's really dirty. It's really cute though. Stick to my hand. Okay, it's a mochi mini seal, and this is smaller than the real mochi, like mini seal. That's a big defect. Not squishy at all because it's stretchy. So yeah, the cute packaging. Okay, the next new squishy that I have is this blind bag. It's an animal bun from Silly Squishies. You can get a panda, duck, mouse, rabbit, cat, pig, and dog, and koala. And I got the mouse. Then I got an emoji blind box, and like these are all the little characters. Here's, you can pause the video, and I got this like yikes one. I don't know. This orange ball chain, and yeah, I got this coffee cup, and it's my first ever Lucio the past year. Minion Keiko. That's the tag. Then I got this eclair. Then I got this Fat Cat crackling squishy. Then I got this medium blush pen. Then I got this Putty Jumbo Bakery croissant. The packaging is ripping. It smells like strawberries. That's it for my video, so I hope you enjoyed. Bye, Candy Crushers. Saying bye from Candy Queen. Squishies.